One bears the blade his father forged, one knows the spells her mother cast, one brings the touch of healing life, each one a hero built to last.
From broken kingdoms near and far, from ancient woods and mountain stone,
They climb beneath the shattered moon, for here no hero stands alone. 100 roads to one bright flame,
we come to learn, not seeking fame.
we came for knowledge, now the beacon shine. Beneath one flame our banners twist, we stand as one under broken skies, where every spark defies the mist. Though kingdoms quarrel, crowns divide, these halls hold truth they cannot see. Bound by knowledge, forged to be heroes of the academy. Heroes of the academy. We learn the light, the earth, the stars, the knowledge of the world we keep. We learn that every truth preserved is one less dream the dark can reap.
No throne can claim the light alone, no border binds the seeking soul.
For wisdom shared becomes a shield, and unity can make us whole.
100 stories, one shared flame.
No matter where we rise the same. We came for knowledge, now the beacon shine. Beneath one flame our banners twist, we stand as one under broken skies, where every spark defies the mist. Though kingdoms quarrel, crowns divide, these halls hold truth they cannot see. Bound by knowledge, forged to be heroes of the academy. The moon may break, the kingdoms fall, still the academy shields us all.
When darkness gathers at the gate,
The lessons learned become our shield.
we are the heroes in the light.
We are the hope that never yields. Lift the flame, raise it higher. Knowledge, force, and hope and fire. We came for knowledge, now the beacon shine. Beneath one flame our banners twist. We